Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got another unboxing for you today. So this lot of goodies is from Everydayecrafts, so thank you so much to them for sending them to me. So we'll start with the one that can already be seen, and yes, this is another passport cover. I find that these are extremely useful when it comes to storing diamond painting goodies. So I use them for my cover sheets to keep them safe when they come off my painting, and I also use them for my stickers. So it's always handy to have more, but this is the design that I've gone for this time. I do like something a little bit different. It does come with your standard toolkit, boat wax and pen, and then to have a look at the diamonds for this one. So we have a few that are different shapes, but we have quite a few of sort of the crystal or the iridescent. So we have white with iridescent, we have very bronzy crystal, we have yellow with the iridescent, so you can see it's not got sort of a silver back like these, but it has got a coating. We've got green. Oh, they are properly iridescent. You see all the colours shining on those. Then we have a brown, and then we have a slightly bigger green circle diamond. And then as extras we have gold, that is bigger, and then we have two whites. One is round and one is a teardrop. So to have a look here, you can see that the teardrops are sort of scattered in around here and around here. We've got some in here as well with some of the white ones that are number 1. All the numbers I think are on the bags. Yeah, so actually that is C. Ah, the A is actually the round ones. Where does A go? I cannot see for looking. Oh, A is there. So that's where the white circle ones go. The gold ones is the number 8. So they scatter in through here. So it does have all the symbols on the bags that you need. And I like a nice little evening project, as many of you may know, and I will just open a bag and do all. It doesn't have diamonds down the middle because of course that's where you fold it, but I do like to seal it once it's done. And then say I use them for storage, for things like my cover paper and my stickers. And it is always nice to have a couple of different varieties. I may change so that I have my circle stickers in one, my square stickers in another. At the moment they're just one per side, but always handy to have, worth picking one of those up. Okay, let's go for this one. Seems to be longer, but that one seems to be fatter. Either way, they're both getting opened. It's just in which order. Oh, so this, 3 colours. I didn't expect it to have that little amount of colours, not that I'm objecting, but can you see it? It is a horse on a black background, which I expected there to be a lot of black, and I don't mind as long as I mix it up, but this actually only has 3 colours. It is a 40 by 50. Wow. But can you see how that pops? For a horse lover, this would be amazing. So the actual canvas size is a 35 by, when it flattens out, about 45. 35 by 45, but wow, you can see what that image is, can't you? There's no point in actually unboxing this, as in taking them out. There is a lot of black, which you would expect. And then these are your other 2 colours. So you've got a yellow and a brown, and they are scattered throughout. So I'm not sure how I'd do this one. A part of me would be tempted to do all the black all at once, but I think the gaps from the other two colours would possibly drive me batty. So this may be one that would be worth having 3 trays for. So having a tray for your black and having a tray for your other colours, and sort of starting at one end and working the way up. But oh, that's just stunning. That is just stunning. I love the way it pops. Okay, so that's that one. And then for the other one, oh, we're half open. We've got that little piece of tape. And for the other one for today, oh, we have a bit more colour. So this is the Northern Lights. Look at that. It is sort of a cartoon of the Northern Lights rather than, so a digital image, should I say, more than a cartoon. It's a digital image over it being an actual photograph. But, and I'm trying not to get my cardigan on the glue because I'm wearing a cardigan today. This is my sort of everyday cardigan that you'll probably see in a few videos because it's the UK and it's winter. Though it can get warm in here, so I do ditch it often. But look at those colours. I thought that was so nice. We've got a little building, mountains and trees, and the Northern Lights. And it was the colours that drew me to this one. We get a toolkit with a pen, boat, wax. Did I get a toolkit in the other one? Yeah, I did. I'm like, ah, did I get a toolkit? Did I not? I'm looking at them and getting rid of them so quick. We get toolkits in so many paintings. Oh, look at some of these. Oh, look at that nice sort of bright yellowy lime green. Some gorgeous purples in with the darker greys and greens. Blues. Beautiful greens. It does have DMC numbers on the actual canvas. Look at those. Look at those blues. Me likes. I'll fight. It's the last one. I'll fight with those diamonds afterwards. So it is round. It does have 20 colours and it does have the DMC numbers on the actual canvas. But it has got quite a few of the different colours mixed in with each of those. There is no 310, so maybe after doing the horse painting, this will be the painting to do. It is 24 centimetres for the drill area by just under 34 centimetres, but you can still see what the image is. And at the end of the day, that's what it's all about. So, to recap, we have a stunning horse, but with a lot of black. We have a very nice, vibrant Northern Lights with no black. The dark colour is actually a dark brown, 3371. And then, if I can find it under all these diamonds, we have a nice staple evening project that is worth grabbing 1 or 2 for yourself. You will probably find a use for them. And if not, after COVID, maybe you could use it on your passport. But yeah, I hope you have enjoyed seeing these paintings. Thank you so much to Everydayecrafts for sending them to me, and I will speak to you all again soon.